Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Eric Jaglusik. I was once upon a time a defendant in your courtroom approximately in 2008. Unfortunately, I didn't have the opportunity to speak and inform you of what I would like to inform you in this video. Your Honor, with all respect, before I hit record on this particular video, it took me approximately 20 minutes to think of my approach to you and my choice of words and how much in detail that I should get into on a particular case of what took place approximately in 2008. I want to let you know as this video continues under, the most respect I could possibly give to you in this video. I pray that I keep it brief, I keep it short, and I get straight to the point. And the only other thing that I am trying to accomplish out of this video is just so I could have a peace of mind knowing that I tried to do my best to get this message and the truth out to you and your courtroom. And Lisa Madigan's office cannot continue to lie, manipulate, and deceive you and your courtroom and have another victim legally as they did with me. Your Honor, I know you receive case after case every single day, so you can't possibly remember each and every single one of them. I believe that. Once upon a time, in 2006, approximately, I had my house repossessed by Attorney General Lisa Madigan's office. They claimed that I and a business partner were telling a numerous amount of investors that we were producing an Adam Sandler production, meaning we were going to shoot and film a movie, and we worked for Adam Sandler's production company, which is an absolute false allegation, and it is not true one bit. Approximately October of 2006, Attorney General Lisa Madigan's office had a search warrant for my house, and it was a seizure warrant pretty much stating that I had to leave my house, which was approximately valued for $500,000. I couldn't take my recording studio equipment, which was approximately valued at over $100,000, give or take. My couch, furniture, bedroom set, bedroom mattress, and a numerous amount of other things that they repossessed at the time, Your Honor. I was in front of Judge Richard J. Siegel's courtroom contesting this. I had a contract that was signed and notarized from the businessman named Brian Filatovich, who gave me the check for a house to clear my name from any wrongdoing. Brian Filatovich was in your courtroom in 2008 as well. And I'm going to get straight to the point in a few minutes, but I do feel that this is somewhat irrelevant for you to understand what Lisa Madigan's office did to your courtroom and deceived you. Brian Filatovich is a businessman. He was approximately 43 at the time. He has employees, he has a house, he has a family, he has no criminal record such as myself didn't as well. He gave me a check for $423,000 for 3 albums of my music. I made the beats. I wrote the lyrics. It took me a numerous amount of months to do. And I signed it over to him. In return, he gave me a check for $423,000. And it was supposed to be from his business. At least that was what I was told. I went to the Honorable Judge Richard J. Siegel's courtroom to contest this. I told the prosecutor, which is from Lisa Madigan's office, I don't know about these 18 victims. I don't really care. And that was my attitude back then, and forgive me, I will not lie to you. My tone isn't what it is now to you. I was loud, I was swearing, I was calling him names, from nerd to dork. I was pretty much poking at him, and I got him upset. And the reason why I was doing that, Your Honor, is because they came to my house and they kicked me out, and I told them, and I felt that it was very unfair, considering I had all my receipts. So I was winning in the civil matter in front of Judge Richard J. Siegel's courtroom, Your Honor. The reason why I was winning is because everything was going on my behalf as far as the evidence. I have here a contract that's signed and notarized, and it is from Brian Felatovich. I was going to give this to Judge Richard J. Siegel himself. I was one step away from presenting this contract to him, Your Honor. Lisa Madigan's office played another game. Lisa Madigan's office asked for a continuance from Judge Richard J. Siegel's courtroom. They were granted it. I told the prosecutor in so many words, why are you continuing this case? I can't go to my house. I can't get my clothes. I can't get my studio equipment. I have my witness. I have my contract. It's signed. It's notarized. Let's continue on. He asked Brian Felatovich very clearly, Your Honor, did you sign this contract? This is a contract that was signed and notarized, and I know you cannot see it from this point of view, but eventually I am going to seek legal options and try to see how I can get this to you, how I can get this to the governor, how I can get this to the proper authorities as well. This contract is signed and notarized by Brian Felatovich. He cleared my name from any wrongdoing. He said the reason why he gave me this check. That was the honest-to-God truth. I look at the internet, and it really pains me, and it troubles me deeply. Before I tell you this, Your Honor, I'm not going to receive any of my property back. I'm not going to get the time of the 2 years and 8 months that I lost in the state penitentiary back. That Lisa Madigan's office stole from me, Your Honor. It's gone. The only thing I could try to do is to make sure that Lisa Madigan's office does not do this again to you, to me, to Brian, to any other courtroom, or anyone else in the state of Illinois. I'm reading a newspaper article, and it says a Will County judge, which is yourself, Your Honor, it says a Will County judge has given herself a week to decide whether alleged conman Brian Felatovich of Homer Glen is as stupid as he claims. Your Honor, with all respect, Jesus Christ looking at me now, no. He is not as stupid as he claims. He is not stupid at all. As a matter of fact, he's very smart. As a matter of fact, he is smarter than me. He's a businessman. He has employees. He's twice my age. He knew what he was doing, Your Honor, with all respect. He knew what he was doing when he deposited the money, when he withdrew the money, when he went to a bank to give me a signature on a legal contract, when he pulled out his driver's license and or his state ID to prove it to the official notary who is legally notarized, is able to notarize something in this state. He knew what he was doing when he went in front of Judge Richard J. Siegel's courtroom to testify on my behalf to clear my name from any wrongdoing, Your Honor. He knew exactly what he was doing. The problem is Lisa Madigan's office coerced and bullied him into making these false confessions. The problem is Lisa Madigan's office brought up false charges, used and manipulated the powers of their office to bring false charges to this contract that is the honest-to-God truth. So help me God, I will die and burn in hell and give my soul to Satan himself if I am lying or manipulating this one bit. This is the contract that he signed. This is the honest to God truth. I would never ever try to ever put words in front of Judge Richard J. Siegel's mouth or yours, Your Honor. But I'm going to lean on in my strong personal opinion. After Judge Richard J. Siegel seen this contract, I'm going to assume, in my very strong personal opinion, he would have returned all my property back to me. I'm going to say Lisa Madigan's office knew that was probably going to be the case as well. Therefore, she did what she did. And not only did she keep this contract from him, not only did she keep my original witness from testifying on my behalf, she brought up false charges in your courtroom, and she made this defendant lie to you as well and played the stupid card. She made my witness lie to the grand jury of DuPage as well, just so she could get a conviction, not look stupid in front of the newspaper, etc., etc. Thank you for watching this. Your Honor, with all respect, I said this and I will say it again. I have nothing to gain by doing this YouTube video and telling you the truth. I'm not going to receive any of my possessions back, nor get my time back. I just read this Google and this newspaper article, and it says how you decided to give him a week to decide if he was as stupid as he claims. It troubles me that this actually happened to you and your courtroom. I don't really care about the time that I lost. I can't do nothing about it. I have other issues as well, so that means nothing. It bothers me that Lisa Madigan's office could do what they want, when they want, how they want, in any courtroom in this state of Illinois. The proof is here. She is corrupt. Her office is corrupt. They deceived you. They manipulated your courtroom. They lied to you. I wish I could have been in the courtroom when you were deciding your decision on if Brian was as stupid as he claims. They set it up that way where I couldn't be there. I was in a state penitentiary in Vienna doing time, so I was nowhere near the courtroom. I actually have other allegations from Lisa Madigan's office that I'm pretty sure that she's aware of, and I'm pretty sure the FBI is aware of, and which is it's fine because it's their legal right to be aware of. But I had a bond, and I know you can't see this as well, but this is my mug photo shot when I was in DuPage County. The judge ordered that I had a bond to be placed, bonded out. Lisa Madigan's prosecutor went to the jail and made it clear for them not to let me bond out, and I could prove that as well. Once again, I could prove each and every single thing that I'm stating. I do thank you for your time. I thank you for watching this, and the only thing that I could leave you with, please, with all respect, I would never ever tell you ever what to do. You are a judge. You worked very hard to get where you are. All judges have. We, the people, put you in that position. Unfortunately, Lisa Madigan's office doesn't feel the same way, but I do. I would never tell you what to do. I am in no position to tell you what to do. I just ask and pray that any other case that Lisa Madigan's office brings to your courtroom, the only thing that I ask is if you would reconsider double checking their work, double checking witnesses and testimony, and making sure that no one is under duress when they are speaking in your courtroom, Your Honor. Because Michael Madigan and Lisa Madigan have a history of intimidating, bullying, threatening, and coercing people in their own way. And they have gotten away with it for so many years. It must stop in a legal way. And there's going to be some other things that come out with me and Lisa Madigan as well from a legal point of view. But as far as this goes, this is the only concern that happened in your courtroom for the time being. I thank you for watching this, Your Honor.